Step 1. Go to college website gurukulcollegeofcommerce.com. There is an admission tab at the top. Click on admission tab. Here all the instructions are being given stepwise. Once you go through the steps, at the end of the page you will find a button proceed to login form. Click on it. Here there are two tabs, in-house admission and outside admission. All students of Gurukul College of Commerce will fill their student UID, which is already displayed on their iCard, or it is on the mark sheet as well. The user ID and password will be the same as your student UID. Say for example, I'm putting one student ID 5874. The same number I will put it as password 5874 and login. The details of the student will be displayed on your screen. You can update your Aadhaar card number or your marital status over here. Rest all is by default, which you have filled while taking admission in the college in the first year. You can update your caste, subcaste as well. Once you are done, save and continue. There is a declaration related to the students who are having caste certificate and income certificate. Click on I have understood and agreed. Your photograph and signature image will be displayed. It is by default, so you can click on save and continue. In case if your photograph is wrong or any error is there, you can update it over here. Click on save and continue. Part 2 of the admission form consists of your residential details. Verify it. In case of any changes, you can update it. PIN code is to be put again compulsorily. So put your PIN code. When you will log in, it will be blank. Student mobile number, your guardian parent's mobile number, student email ID and guardian email ID is compulsory and it has to be different. In case if you want to avail the railway concession, you can click on yes or no. If you click yes, you need to mention from where to Ghatkopar. I'm clicking no. Assuming voters list, you have the voter ID card or you have enrolled, you can click yes or no. Save and continue. Automatically the subjects of the next SEM will be displayed on your screen. Here to mention, for TY BCom students, the 7th subject will be the optional subject where you will get the option for computers, IT or export. So you can select any one of it and then go ahead. For second year BMS students, compulsory subjects will be displayed and there will be an option between finance or marketing. Select your choice and then go ahead. Save and continue. Your result details will be automatically updated on your screen. Nothing to change over here. Directly click on save and continue. When you will come to admission form part 5, here you need to fill up the details of your parents. So put down the name Mohit Jain, relationship is father, occupation say business, address, annual income, earning family members 2, non-earning family members 4. Once you fill up the details, click on save and print. The whole form will be displayed on your screen. All the details will be here on the screen. You can click on print form and take the printout, or you can save it into a PDF format.